The primary entry point system has issued an civil danger warning. Please stand by for further information. If you are listening, please tune into 108.56 on your radio. Around 5 minutes ago, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration has discovered a weird reaction change on the Sun. The observations that they have brought back seem to be unusual mass changes. They have said they are worried that something bad could happen to the Sun. They believe it will explode and will go into supernova in the next 5 weeks. They will try to stop this event from happening, but it is unlikely that this event will be stopped. You must prepare for the following: extreme heat, major earthquakes, tsunamis and volcanic eruptions and power outages. If this event cannot be stopped, humanity could become extinct by the supernova. Please keep an eye for warnings of tsunamis, earthquakes and volcano eruptions. EAS messages for these following will be sent. The National Weather Service has issued a tsunami warning for the following: Washington, New York, Boston and Orlando. If you are in any of these areas, we advise you to get to high ground immediately. The tsunami is expected to hit the east coast of America in 40 minutes. The tsunami was caused by a major earthquake measured as 8.4 in the Atlantic Ocean. Tsunami warning remains until 2:45 p.m. EDT. The National Weather Service has issued a volcano warning. Millions have reported a loud rumble at Yellowstone National Park. Yellowstone volcano is expected to erupt in the next 30 minutes. People in Yellowstone must evacuate now. This remains active until 6:35 p.m. MDT. This is a presidential alert. Please remain calm. Unfortunately, it has come to our attention that reporting from the National Aeronautics and Space Administration has made loads of attempts to stop the supernova, but sadly none of it worked. The sun is expected to explode in 45 minutes. With this being held, you are advised to say your final goodbyes. The explosion will roast our atmosphere in seconds with the radiation, wiping out life instantly. Please prepare for a dignified death. Gather with your family or friends and say goodbye. A shelter can simply not help survive the explosion, as the final alert ends for the EAS. We hope your death is a dignified one. Please do not panic.